Step inside the inferno. Before the pressure begins, the steel must be tamed. In these massive industrial furnaces, temperatures soar to over 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit. At this stage, the metal is no longer a solid block. It's a living, breathing material. Our engineers monitor every fraction of a degree. One mistake in the chemical balance, and the entire jet engine component could fail at 30,000 feet. Every time you fly across the wide ocean, hundreds of tiny, hidden components are quietly defying the laws of physics to keep you safe in the sky. Welcome to the incredible world of the turbine blade, where extreme mechanical precision meets the advanced art of modern metallurgy in a struggle against the elements. These small parts are the heart of the engine, designed to withstand conditions that would melt most metals and crush ordinary structures into dust within seconds. The journey of creating such a masterpiece involves thousands of hours of engineering and the use of some of the most expensive materials on our planet. Inside the core of a modern jet engine, temperatures can reach a staggering 1,600 degrees Celsius, far hotter than the melting point of the blade. At this extreme heat, an irregular piece of steel would turn into liquid instantly. Yet these blades continue to perform their vital work without any failure. How can a solid object survive in an environment that is literally a hell of fire? The answer lies in the secret soul of superalloys. Let us dive deep into the manufacturing process to see how these legendary components are born from raw metal and forged into the pinnacle of aviation. To survive the inferno, engineers utilize advanced nickel-based superalloys. These are not just metals, they are the culmination of decades of intense materials science research. Everything begins in a vacuum. By removing air, we prevent impurities from weakening the metal, ensuring every single atom is exactly where it needs to be. These are single crystal alloys. Unlike normal metals made of many small grains, these blades are grown as one single continuous crystal to eliminate internal weak points. This unique molecular structure prevents a phenomenon called creep, where metal slowly deforms over time when subjected to high heat and constant mechanical stress. Consider the mechanical load. When the engine is at full throttle, these blades spin at over 15,000 revolutions per minute, creating incredible centrifugal forces. The force pulling on each small blade is equivalent to hanging a 12-ton double-decker bus from the tip of the blade while it is spinning. Imagine 12 tons of weight trying to rip that metal apart. This is why the single crystal structure is so critical for the safety of every passenger. Only the most advanced metallurgy in the world can provide the strength-to-weight ratio required to keep the engine from flying apart in midair. This material is incredibly precious. A single set of these raw alloys can cost millions of dollars, stored in highly controlled environments to maintain purity. Every gram is tracked and tested. The chemical precision required is so high that even a tiny amount of contamination could lead to a catastrophic failure. Now, the raw material is ready to enter the forge, where the brute force of machinery will meet the delicate precision of computer-guided control systems. We are entering the forge of the gods, where heat and pressure will shape the future of flight through sheer power and technological brilliance. The process begins with the transfer of the heated alloy. The metal is now soft enough to be shaped, but still incredibly resistant to deformation. High-frequency electricity is used to heat the metal from the inside out, ensuring a perfectly uniform temperature throughout the entire thickness of the alloy. This massive machine can exert 5,000 tons of pressure, enough to crush a mountain, but here it is used with the precision of a surgeon. With a single thunderous strike, the metal is forced into the mold. At every curve of the aerodynamic blade is born in this moment of extreme force. The computer monitors the flow of metal in real time, adjusting the pressure to ensure that the internal grain structure follows the shape of the blade. The rough shape is now visible. It looks simple, but its geometry is a result of millions of hours of computational fluid dynamics simulations. Precision is everything. Even at this early stage, the blade is measured by sensors, to ensure it meets the strict tolerances required for aerospace components. But forging is only the beginning. The blade must now undergo a series of heat treatments to lock in its legendary strength and durability. We use inert gases like argon to cool the blade slowly. This prevents the metal from reacting with oxygen, which could cause microscopic surface cracks. Each blade is a twin of the other, perfect and identical, ready to be transformed from a solid piece of metal into a functional machine. The rhythmic sound of the forge is the heartbeat of the factory, a constant reminder of the power required to conquer the skies. As it cools, the internal structure stabilizes, creating the perfect foundation for the complex machining steps that are about to follow in the process. Every single blade is given its own identity. We can track its history from the raw ore to its final flight, decades into the future. This automation ensures that every part is manufactured with zero variance, providing the reliability that modern commercial aviation demands from its suppliers. Next, we move to the most delicate part of the build, creating the internal cooling systems that allow the blade to survive the heat. Welcome to the micro world of engineering. These high-power lasers are drilling hundreds of tiny holes, each no wider than a single human hair. These holes are not for decoration. They are the exits for a complex internal cooling system that breathes life into the metal during flight. Electrical discharge. Machining uses sparks to carve through the incredibly hard superalloy, creating shapes that would be impossible to drill with traditional tools. Inside the blade is a hidden labyrinth. High-pressure air from the compressor is forced through these channels to carry heat away from the metal. This design is a miracle of thermal management. The air must travel a long path, absorbing every bit of heat before escaping through the surface. Without this internal cooling, the blade would soften and fail in a matter of seconds. It is a constant battle between fire and ice. The temperature difference across just a few millimeters of metal is hundreds of degrees, a testament to the efficiency of this cooling maze design. As the air escapes the holes, it creates a film cooling effect. This is a thin, invisible blanket of cool air that wraps around the blade. This film acts as a protective shield, preventing the roaring flames of the combustion chamber from ever actually touching the surface of the metal alloy. We test every blade for airflow precision. If even one hole is blocked, the blade could develop a hot spot and fail during a flight. Imagine being in a storm of fire hotter than your own body. This cooling system is the only thing keeping the blade from melting into liquid. This is the microchip of mechanical engineering, a system so small and complex that it requires the world's most advanced manufacturing tools to create. Every hole is drilled at a specific angle to ensure the air film stays attached to the blade's surface, even at high rotational speeds. With the cooling channels finished, we now prepare to apply the final layer of protection and advanced ceramic shield against the heat. The blade is now a functional masterpiece, but it needs one last thing to survive the extreme environments of a modern jet engine. This is plasma spraying. A high-energy jet of ionized gas is used to melt ceramic powder and blast it onto the blade's surface. The particles travel at supersonic speeds, bonding instantly to the metal to create a thermal barrier coating, or TBC, that is incredibly durable. This ceramic layer is like the heat shield on a spacecraft. It is designed to block the flow of heat into the metal core of the blade. Even though it is only a few microns thick, this ceramic layer can reduce the temperature the metal feels by nearly 300 degrees Celsius. The coating is engineered to have microscopic cracks. This allows the ceramic to breathe as it heats up, preventing it from flaking off the metal. Precision here is measured in microns. Too thick and the coating might crack. Too thin and it won't provide enough protection for the engine. This is the final line of defense. The ceramic shield is what allows modern engines to run hotter, which makes them more fuel efficient and powerful. The transformation is complete. The blade is now a multi-layered composite of advanced superalloy, cooling air, and high-performance ceramic protection. While robots do most of the heavy lifting, The final touch is often performed by highly skilled artisans who can feel imperfections by hand. This level of craftsmanship ensures that every blade fits perfectly into the assembly with zero friction and a lifelong bond to the engine rotor. But we aren't finished yet. Every blade must face a series of ultimate tests to prove it is worthy of carrying human lives into the air. We use fluorescent dyes and ultraviolet light to search for the smallest flaws, invisible to the human eye, but dangerous at high speeds. There is no room for error. A single crack the size of a hair could lead to a disaster. Only perfection is accepted in this factory. Computerized coordinate measuring machines verify the geometry of every curve, ensuring the blade will catch the wind with maximum efficiency and power. The digital and physical worlds merge here. If the blade deviates by even a fraction of a millimeter, it is immediately rejected and recycled. We even look through the metal itself. X-ray inspections ensure that the internal cooling labyrinth we carved earlier is completely clear and perfectly shaped. This total transparency in the manufacturing process is what makes modern aviation the safest form of travel in the history of mankind. Finally, the blades are ready for assembly. They are fitted into the turbine disc, locking into place with a satisfying and incredibly tight fit. Once a full set is installed, the entire assembly is balanced to perfection. It must spin without the slightest vibration, even at full speed. A balanced engine is a long-lasting engine. This precision assembly reduces wear and tear, allowing the plane to fly for thousands of hours. Each blade, worth tens of thousands of dollars, is a promise of safety and a masterpiece of human ingenuity and mechanical engineering excellence. From a raw block of nickel to a high-flying guardian of the skies, the turbine blade represents the very best of what we can achieve. Next time you look out the window at the engine, remember the fire, the pressure, and the incredible science hidden inside that metal shell. They are the silent heroes of the aviation world, working tirelessly in the dark to help humanity conquer the heavens and explore our world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the forge. This has been Ultimate Factory Tours. We will see you on our next adventure.